You've probably heard the buzz. The digital economy is absolutely exploding, and by 2026, it's going to be massive. And right at the heart of it all, one of the most powerful business models out there, selling digital products. So in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can build your own digital empire, step by step. Okay, let me ask you something. What if you could build a business with zero inventory, absolutely no shipping headaches, and get this, unlimited sales potential? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? But that is the incredible reality of selling digital products. We're talking about a model that's literally built for scale.
And when I say scale, I mean it. The potential here is just staggering. We're seeing top creators pulling in over $100,000 a month. Now look, is everyone going to hit that? Of course not. That's the absolute top tier. But it just goes to show you how ridiculously scalable this whole thing can be. And often it's just one person with a laptop making it happen.
All right, so here's our game plan. We're going to cover the digital product boom, what you should actually be selling in 2026, where to sell it, the real secrets to maximizing your profit, and finally, your path to that sweet, sweet passive income.
Okay, let's dive right in. Section 1, the digital product boom. We're going to break down why this model is such a complete game changer.
So, this right here, this is the fundamental difference, the secret sauce of digital products. Think about it. You create something once, maybe it's an ebook, a course, a simple template, and you can sell it forever, an infinite number of times. Compare that to physical products. There's no ongoing manufacturing, no boxes piling up in your garage, and definitely no trips to the post office. It just completely flips the economics of running a business on its head.
It really all boils down to what I like to call the power trio. First, you've got super low overhead, right? No manufacturing costs. Second, you have an insane global reach. You can sell to anyone, anywhere in the world, at any time. And third, automation. The platforms, they handle all the delivery for you. It's an incredibly efficient and powerful model. Okay, so we've established the model is amazing, it's efficient, it's scalable. But the big question is, what do you actually sell? That's what we're tackling in Section 2, finding your high-profit idea for 2026.
Right now, there are 3 categories that are just killing it. First up, online courses. These are super high value, so you can charge premium prices. Next, PLR digital planners. These are awesome because they're so fast to get to market, and we'll talk about what PLR is in a second. And finally, membership sites, which are the key to that beautiful recurring revenue.
Okay, so I mentioned PLR. What the heck is that? Well, it stands for private label rights, and honestly, this is a total game changer, especially if you're just starting out. It means you can buy ready-made content, think planners, templates, you name it, and you have the legal right to customize it, slap your own brand on it, and sell it as your own product. It is without a doubt the fastest way to get something out there and start selling.
All right, let's talk niches. Profitable niche number 1 is a classic for a reason: productivity and organization. I mean, think about it. With so many of us working from home or juggling side hustles, everyone is desperate to stay organized. Digital planners, habit trackers, workflow templates, the demand for these is huge and it's not going anywhere. It's what you'd call an evergreen market. Next up, a niche that has absolutely exploded: AI and automation. You know this. Everyone is trying to figure out how to use AI to save time and be more efficient. So products like AI prompt packs or toolkits that help people automate tasks, they are flying off the digital shelves right now. This is a massive trend to jump on.
And our third hot niche is wellness and lifestyle. Things like meal planners, fitness trackers, and self-care templates are not only super useful, but they're also highly visual. This makes them perfect for marketing on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. A great aesthetic can literally drive your sales through the roof in this space. Okay, Section 3. You've got your killer product idea. Now, where do you actually sell it? Choosing your digital storefront is a really crucial decision, so let's break it down.
So you've got a few big players, and each has its own vibe. Think of Etsy. It's perfect for things like planners and templates because it's a huge marketplace that already has tons of buyers looking for those things. Then you've got Shopify. This is for when you want to build a real brand. It gives you total control, which is ideal for bigger ticket items like courses or memberships. Gumroad is all about keeping it simple, perfect for a quick ebook or a simple download. And then there's Podio, which is kind of like an all-in-one hub for creators who want to sell courses and build a community around them.
Yeah, here's a really simple way to look at it. Etsy is like setting up a stall in a super busy, bustling market. The traffic's already there, which is amazing. Shopify, on the other hand, is like building your own beautiful flagship store on a street that you own.
You have to bring the customers in, but you control every single detail of the experience.
All right, on to Section 4, the secrets to maximum profit. Look, having a great product is awesome, but it's only half the battle. The real money is made in the strategy.
There are 3 massive trends driving profit in 2026 that you need to know about. First is AI integration. And I don't just mean using AI to create your stuff faster. I mean using it to offer personalized products to your customers at scale. It's a huge advantage. Second, social commerce. A viral video on TikTok or Instagram can lead to an explosion of sales, literally overnight. And third, getting super specific with your niche. Don't just sell meal planners. Sell meal planners for busy vegan athletes. The more specific you are, the less competition you have, and the higher your conversion rates will be. It's a simple, powerful shift.
Now let's talk about money, your pricing strategy. This is absolutely crucial. For your high-value stuff like a detailed course or a powerful toolkit, you want to use premium pricing. It actually builds trust and positions you as an authority. But for lower-priced items like planners and templates, bundle pricing is your best friend. Why sell one when you can sell 3 in a discounted pack? It's a super easy way to boost your average order value. And this is a simple but ridiculously powerful marketing funnel. Step 1, you attract people with useful or entertaining content on social media. Step 2, you capture their attention more permanently by getting them to join your email list, maybe offer a freebie. And step 3, you maximize the value from every customer with smart upsells and bundles. This is the proven formula to turn a casual viewer into a loyal, repeat customer.
Okay, we've covered a lot. Let's get to the grand finale. Section 5, your path to passive income. Time to tie this all together.
So here it is, your blueprint for 2026. First, you're going to choose a high-demand niche. Think productivity, AI, or wellness. Second, you'll use tools like PLR and AI to create your amazing products way faster. Third, you'll pick the right platform that actually aligns with your goals. And fourth, you'll use smart pricing and marketing to drive sales. That's it. That is the formula for building a successful digital product business.
So I want to leave you with one final thought. Don't get overwhelmed trying to build a 6-figure empire on day one. Just ask yourself this one simple question. What is one problem your very first digital product could solve for someone? Just one. Start right there. If you can answer that, you're already on your way.